Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about OpSec and AI decentralized cloud computing software. So let's go to the white paper quickly here in the document section. And before we move here quickly, I know that you are waiting to for me to explain the white paper, but let's first go quickly to the CoinGecko and see some basic info, and then quickly move to the white paper. So the market cap is nearly 43 million, fully diluted valuation is 46 million. So team hardly has any supply with them. Probably uh, the community will be able to now handle the project, then only the project can survive and grow, because most of the supply is with the community now. And there are other basic information about the project you can go through here on CoinGecko. And now let's move to the white paper and just quickly have a look on their website page. So this is their website. What is OpSec? The mission is to explore, implement, and guide the creation of a secure, efficient, and decentralized digital ecosystem. And so basically, it's a cloud servicing kind of a platform, but with, of course, many more features, many more security because of the blockchain, and many other interesting things are there. So this is their roadmap, so you can go through the roadmap as well. So you can go through the website and understand this basic information. Now let's quickly move to the white paper, which all you all are waiting for. So I hope first of all that I'm pronouncing the name correct, OpSec, because that's what it looks like. That the pronunciation should be something like that. So please forgive me if I'm spelling it wrong. But OpSec is a revolutionary cloud computing platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to revolutionize the internet by leveraging decentralized cloud servers, private networks, IP addresses, and cutting edge RDPs. The mission is to explore, implement, and guide the creation of a secure, efficient, and decentralized digital ecosystem. OPSEC addresses the limitations of current infrastructure, aiming to foster a more democratic, resilient, and secure internet. As a decentralized physical infrastructure networks provider, OPSEC utilizes the most advanced AI technology to build, maintain, and operate blockchain infrastructure that ensures the security and privacy of your blockchain applications. OPSEC also offers various utilities that enhance the functionality and usability of Web3, such as OPSEC CloudWorks, OPSEC CloudBot, and OPSEC extension. OPSEC is designed to be compatible and uh, interoperable sorry for that, with existing systems, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience for Web3 users, developers, and builders. The introduction. The internet has become an integral part of our lives, enabling us to communicate, collaborate, learn, work, play, and access information. However, the current internet infrastructure is plagued by various challenges such as centralization, inefficiency, insecurity, and privacy invasion. Centralized entities such as governments, corporations, and internet service providers have the power to control, monitor, censor, and manipulate the internet, compromising the freedom, sovereignty, and rights of the users. Moreover, the centralized servers and networks are vulnerable to cyber attacks, data breaches, and downtime, affecting the reliability and performance of the internet. Furthermore, the users' data and activities are constantly tracked, collected, and exploited by third parties, violating their privacy and exposing them to risks. So, again, this is all very true. Crypto and blockchain is all about decentralization. So, you can say that this is whatever they have written in this first paragraph is what crypto basically stands for. Crypto stands for decentralization, and Bitcoin is the living example of that. So now let's move forward. Blockchain technology has emerged as a potential solution to these problems, as it offers a decentralized, transparent, and immutable and trustless system that can enable peer-to-peer transactions and interactions without intermediaries. Blockchain applications such as cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, and decentralized applications (dApps) have demonstrated the benefits of blockchain in various domains such as finance, governance, social media, gaming, and more. However, Blockchain technology also faces some limitations and challenges such as scalability, usability, and interoperability, and security. Moreover, blockchain applications still rely on the existing internet infrastructure, which is very true, which can undermine their decentralization and privacy. So, again, decentralization happens in two ways. First of all, it happens through the management, and then secondly, it happens through the products. So, product can be decentralized, but the management should also be decentralized. So, the team who is running the OpSec, that team should also be decentralized. So that's how the decentralization works. OpSec is a cloud computing platform that aims to overcome these challenges and unleash the full potential of blockchain technology by utilizing AI and decentralized physical infrastructure networks. OpSec provides a secure, efficient, and decentralized cloud computing platform, that can host and run blockchain applications, as well as offer various utilities that enhances the functionality and usability of web3. OpSec leverages the power of AI to optimize the performance, security, and privacy of the platform, as well as to provide innovative solution for web3 users, developers, and builders. So basically what they're trying to say is that they are providing a cloud computing services. It can be of different features, from data transfer to data storage to computing power to many other things, which they will be providing here, but in a decentralized way. So there are some of the projects like that already in the cryptocurrency market. One of them is uh, iExec, or RLC token, which is a very old project. I don't know whether it is around here still here or not, but I know that it was at least in 2016 and 17. It had the same idea, but it looks that OPSEC is trying to do it in a more professional way, or maybe in a more decentralized manner. Maybe that is possibility here. Let's see, let's find out furthermore what they have to say in the white paper. OPSEC also utilizes decentralized physical infrastructure networks such as private networks, IP addresses, and RDPs to create a distributed and resilient cloud computing system that can protect the platform from external threats and interferences. Uh, OPSEC is designed to be compatible and interoperable with existing systems, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience for the Web3. The problem overview. I don't know why this is not downloading. The problem overview. The need for optimization is paramount. The current centralized systems face challenges that demand a re-evaluation of conventional wisdom. OPSEC responds to these urgent needs, aiming to transform the internet landscape. The existing centralized infrastructure, once hailed as the cornerstone of the digital revolution, of course, they are talking about the early 2000s, is now revealing its vulnerabilities. Single points of failure increase the risk of cyber attacks and downtime, jeopardizing the internet services and compromising data integrity. Because everything in the internet is right now centralized, so that's what they're aiming at. That this, if that single point of power which is controlling all the data, if that fails, then there is always a risk of losing it. As the digital world's complexity grows, so does the fragility of centralized infrastructure. With the very beautiful line they have written here, this is a very powerful line. As the digital world's complexity grows, we will find out how fragile the centralized infrastructure is. Very lovely, beautiful. With the escalating demand for data and security privacy, OPSEC recognizes the imperative for stronger security measures. Centralized systems, due to their concentrated information repositories, attract malicious actors seeking illegal access. OPSEC works to fortify the digital environment, preventing unauthorized access and security lapses. Also, censorship poses a serious threat to freedom of speech and information access. OPSEC understands the necessity of a censorship resistant system that allows users to interact with information freely. By adopting decentralized principles, OPSEC empowers individuals, ensuring the ongoing democratization of information on the internet. So this is what the problem they want to solve. They want to make the internet more decentralized by providing a decentralized more secure cloud related services cloud, and you will know gradually what those services are. So now let's move forward with the other section of the white paper. OpSec's mission is at the forefront of transforming the internet into a more secure, resilient, and democratic space by addressing issues in the existing infrastructure. OpSec focuses on enhancing data security, privacy, and censorship resistance. The white paper delineates a strategic roadmap that explores improved Web3 cloud storage, private network IP addresses, and decentralized cloud servers. Breaking norms and paving the way for a decentralized future, OpSec is a source of innovation, aiding for developers and users in navigating the complexities of the digital universe. Discover the features, implementations, guidelines for OpSec's development. The need for optimization is paramount. The current centralized system faces challenges that demand a re-evaluation of conventional wisdom. We have already read this line, so now let's move forward to the OpSec features section. What their features are. OpSec provides a high level of security for the data and transaction of the platform and the blockchain applications hosted on it. OpSec uses encryption, authentication, and verification techniques to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of the data and transactions, as well as to prevent unauthorized access and modification. OpSec also protects the platform and the blockchain applications from malicious attacks such as phishing, malware, and denial of service by using AI-based detection and mitigation mechanism, as well as by isolating and sandboxing the application from the rest of the network. Now let's move to the privacy section. So what basically OPSEC is trying to do is, as I said earlier, they are totally focused on cloud and computer power related services which can be transferred through internet. And so let's assume that you have your own laptop and it has some certain computing power left which nobody uses it. Then you can probably use this OPSEC uh, OPSEC's data center or something like that, and then you will be able to give them that power so other users can use that power for many services like rendering to many n number of services can be done there. OPSEC respects the privacy of the users and the blockchain application hosted on the platform. OPSEC uses private networks IP addresses that hide the location and identity of the user and the applications from trackers and sensors. OPSEC allows the users and the applications to choose their level of privacy ranging from public to anonymous depending on their preferences and needs. OPSEC does not collect, store, or share any personal or sensitive data of the users or the applications unless explicitly authorized by them. So they are focused on the uh, you can say the privacy a lot through their technology. OPSEC introduces a novel concept of decentralized physical infrastructure network, DPIN. I have already heard this word couple of times. I will also try to make another video on this DPIN if I get the time. That are connected to the OPSEC platform and provide various services such as secured internet access, data storage, and computation. DPIN is composed of decentralized cloud servers, private networks, IP addresses, and RDP that are owned and operated by the OPSEC community members who can contribute their idle or excess resources to the platform and earn rewards in return. So, as I mentioned earlier, that you will be able to make money on your idle resources from your computer. That's what this project is all about. That's what I understood at least. DeepIn creates a distributed and resilient cloud computing system that can enhance the security, privacy, and performance of the platform and the blockchain applications hosted on it. DeepIn also enables the OPSEC community members to participate in the governance and decision making of the platform, ensuring its transparency and accountability. So there are two key things here, that the one of the key thing is that the uh, decentralization of the network they are planning to do is through the resource providers. So let's assume that you are providing your computing power or your data storage facility to them, then you will be one of the community members who will be making the project decentralized, because making the project decentralized is going to be the key factor, the key part when it comes to any cryptocurrency project. And apart from that, this project is looks very good and looks very very promising, but again, if it is not decentralized, then there is always going to be the risk when it comes to cryptocurrency projects. So just keep that in mind. Again, this video is not about giving you any investment advices. It is just for informative purpose only. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. So that's what cloud computing is. If you are not aware about what cloud computing is, then only you need to understand this. Cloud computing enables users to access and use these services on demand without having to invest in or manage physical infrastructure. Cloud computing offers various benefits such as scalability, flexibility, cost efficiency, and performance. OpSec leverages the power of AI enhanced cloud computing to offer a scalable, flexible, and cost-effective platform for hosting and running blockchain applications. OpSec uses AI to optimize the allocation, distribution, and utilization of cloud resources according to the demand and supply of the platform and the applications. OpSec also leverages AI to monitor, manage, and maintain the cloud infrastructure, ensuring the availability, reliability, and performance of the platform and the application. So they will use AI to manage the entire platform. That's what they are saying here. OpSec offers various cloud computing services such as infrastructure as service, platform as a service, and software as a service to cater the different needs of the requirements of the web3 users, developers, and builders. So this is a very long white paper. I thought that I would be able to conclude very early, but unfortunately, the white paper is pretty long. But still, I'm going to complete the entire white paper because that's what you all here came for. AI or artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligent process by a machine. We all know what AI is. Now let's not go into that. Automation, we don't want to go into that as well. We don't want to go into the domain hosting as well. We all know what these things are. Now let's quickly go through the OpSec utilities. OpSec CloudWorks. OpSec CloudWorks empowers remote access and control of blockchain nodes and servers, ensuring security, performance, and convenience for the Web3 users. OpSec CloudWorks allows users to connect to and manage their blockchain nodes and servers from anywhere and on any device using a simple and intuitive interface. OpSec CloudWorks also enable. So what they're saying here is that they can enable users to manage their blockchain nodes from anywhere, which is a very cool thing. OpSec CloudWorks also enables the users to customize and optimize their blockchain node servers, such as choosing the network protocol configuration as well as monitoring the status, performance, and usage. OpSec CloudWorks provides a secure and reliable connection between the users and their blockchain nodes and servers using encryption, authentication, and verification techniques, as well as protecting them from the external threats and interferences. OpSec CloudWorks also offers a unique feature of remote uh, desktop protocol, which allows the users to access and use their blockchain nodes and servers as if they were their personal computers, which is a very cool thing. Again, so this all so basically you can say that this is a blockchain cloudverse. That would be a better word rather than just a cloudverse, a blockchain based cloudverse kind of a thing. uh, OpSec CloudWorks RDP offers a high quality and low latency experience with features such as high resolution display, audio and video streaming, keyboard and mouse input, and file transfer. OpSec CloudWorks RDP can be used for various purposes such as trading, gaming, hosting DApps, as well as for personal and professional use. So again, you will have to understand one important thing here, and that is that this is the business model of this project seems to be a B2B kind of a thing. So when there is a business which is more a B2B kind of a thing, then the community needs to be very sharp, very active, and they will have to focus a lot on keeping the project decentralized. Because if the business is B2B, then there is always chance of a lack of transparency. I'm not saying these guys are going to do that, they are going to do any kind of exit scam, nothing like that. And what I'm trying to say is that in B2B, information sometimes is not public. And when their information is sometimes not public, then it is very important for the community members to become more active and keep the project even more decentralized. If the project is not more and more decentralized day by day, then there is always going to be some problem sooner or later. And that's why when there are b2b kind of cryptocurrency projects, for me at least, it seems that this can turn out to be a b2b kind of a project in the future, if not today. So that's why you as a community member or as a token holder, if you are a token holder, then it becomes your very passionate responsibility to handle the project in a decentralized way, and you will have to take part in the all the community decisions. OpSec CloudBot prioritizes the security of your projects with decentralized deployment and a focus on user privacy. You can trust us to keep your data secure, experience the freedom of hosting your projects without hassles. OpSec simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what matters your projects. OpSec CloudBot is your gateway to decentralized project deployment. Decentralized project deployment. Use a decentralized strategy to manage your projects. OpSec guarantees security and privacy by putting your servers under your control. So they will provide all the infrastructure for your DeFi platform, and still you will be able to control it. No sign up, URL shortener, domain hosting, decentralized hosting, VPS, uh, all these features will be provided here. Now this is the tokenomics, we are not going to go into then, and this is also that roadmap which you can go through it in their white paper. And let's quickly go through the conclusion because the video is already too long. OpSec is an innovative cloud computing platform, so we already have gone through these things throughout the entire white paper. So that's all I have in this video about OpSec, AI cloud, decentralized cloud based platform. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you can give me a like on this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also join my Telegram channel if you want to get connected with me regarding any questions you have. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.